Here are the steps on how to register with Speedy Global. So first, you will have to type in www.speedy.global in your URL box and hit enter. You will be routed to the Speedy Global page. So you can register by using the button on the upper right-hand corner that shows register now, or the button below that shows free registration. Okay, so we hit enter. And then you will be routed to the Speedy Global members area where you can see the countries where Speedy Global has offices and presence. So you will click the register now button. And here you are on the registration form. So you will start by choosing your country of residence. So you can either type in the name of your country here or use the drop down arrow. Okay, so for example, you are from Indonesia. Okay. And here's the form. You will start filling it out by putting in your working email address. Okay. Choose your title. Put in your family name or last name, your given name or your first name, your middle name, and your date of birth. And then you choose your gender. So please read and acknowledge I have provided true and correct information. I have only used English alphabet characters. I want to agree to all terms and conditions. So check everything and then click register now. So a pop-up message will appear and you will just have to verify the information that you put in. So your full name in Western order would be Cheryl May Tan. Your full name in Eastern order would be Tan May Cheryl. You are 24 years old and you are a female. So if everything is correct, then you will click yes, correct. Okay. So you will see that an email with a confirmation link has been sent to your email address. So the email address where it has been sent to is this. Okay, so all you need to do is go to your inbox and click the link. So let's go to my inbox. Okay, so you can see the email. So you can either check your spam or your inbox. So you can click this and then you click this link to complete your registration. So registration confirmation, if all of the following information is correct, then we can process you. If not, please register again. You cannot change this information after you process it. So you have to make sure that everything is correct. So you review again. And if everything is correct, then you can click all good, process me. Or if there are things that you need to change, then you can click register again. So all good, process me. Success. So email sent. An email has been sent to you with your username and login details so you can access our system. And we're done. Once you're done with the confirmation, you will receive an email with your user registration information. So you will just click this and then you will see your username will be provided, the email address that you use to register, and a temporary password. So you just have to note that the one-time password will be seen in plain text and you will have to change your password when you first log into the website. Then you can start logging in to Speedy Global website by clicking the login URL. So you will be routed directly to the Speedy Global members area. So you can just click login and put in your password and the username given to you. And then you click login now. And here you go. You already have a profile in Speedy Global.